We have a new project today in class. And this is a little story problem, and it's about Ava and Brittany and paper cranes. Let me read the problem to you. Ava made 100 paper cranes, and Brittany made 3/4 of the number of paper cranes that Ava made. Ava gave 9/20 of her paper cranes to Brittany. Then Brittany gave 1/4 of her paper cranes to Ava. How many more paper cranes did Brittany have than Ava in the end? At the top of this page, you will notice a series of boxes. Each box represents 5 cranes. Ava made a total of 100 cranes, so 100 divided by 5 means that we have 20 boxes. Below Ava's boxes, you will notice we have another series of boxes. These are representing the cranes that Brittany made. Brittany made 75 cranes. Since each box is 5 cranes, 75 divided by 5 means that we have 15 boxes. Now, we need to remember that Ava gave Brittany 9/20 of her cranes. How many cranes did she give to Brittany? Let's go ahead and mark off 9 of Ava's boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 5 is 45. Let's go ahead and add 45 cranes to Brittany's row. Okay, we've added 45 cranes. How many did Brittany start out with? She started with 75. 45 plus 75 equals how much? Yes, it equals 120. Brittany now has 120 cranes. Well, how many does Ava have now? Let's go ahead and count her boxes and see how many she has left. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Ava now has 55 boxes. She started with 100. She gave away 45, which means she now has 55 cranes. Brittany now has 120 cranes. Brittany gives 1/4 of her cranes to Ava. How many cranes did she give to Ava? If you look at the top tape, that's 120, and we divided it into 4 equal parts of 30 each. And that will tell you that Brittany gave Ava 30 cranes. Let's go ahead and mark off the 30 cranes that Ava gave. I will now add 30 cranes of Brittany's to Ava's. I'm going to put 30 cranes right here. I'm going to add those to the 55 she had. 55 plus 30 equals 85. We now know that Brittany has 90 cranes, and we also know that Ava now has 85 cranes. The final question, how many more cranes did Brittany have than Ava in the end? The answer is 5. Is our math correct? Can we account for all of our cranes? At the beginning, it said that Ava made 100 and Brittany made 75. That's 175. If we now have 90 plus 85, 90 plus 85, we still have 175 cranes even after all of the changes.